the reason why influencers like Logan Paul and other millionaires move to Puerto Rico. While Puerto Rico is part of the United States, it's not a state per se, and therefore the U.S. tax rules are treated differently. You see, Puerto Rico, sing it with me now, is INDEPENDENT from the U.S. government. This gives us its own leeway to create innovative tax law that is separate and distinct from U.S. federal and state tax law. And the most famous one is called Act 20, which allows content creators and entrepreneurs to strike a deal with Puerto Rico. Pretty much Puerto Rico's like, hey bro, come here. Look, you move your business and all that stuff over here to Puerto Rico, I'm gonna hook you up with taxes. I'm gonna have you paying stupid low. But look, bro, in return, I'm gonna need some economic boom. I'm gonna need you to create some jobs and all that stuff. You got me, fam? Now, contrary to popular belief, moving to Puerto Rico doesn't just wipe out your tax bill. It does significantly reduce it, but it's not as easy. Let's look at an example. So bam, let's say you make $500,000 living in Cali. You got 130 going to the feds. You got 33 in self-employment tax. You got 46 going to Cali. Total taxes is $210,000 or 42% for every dollar that you make. So bam, let's look at Puerto Rico. Federal tax is gonna be 0%. Now we still gotta pay ourselves what's called a reasonable wage. So we're gonna put ourselves at $125,000. Self-employment or FICA taxes looking at 19. Puerto Rico income tax, you're looking at 28,000. Then there's also another 4% income tax from Puerto Rico, it's 15,000. But look, total taxes is $62,000 or 12% for every dollar that you make. Total savings from living in Cali to Puerto Rico is $147,921 per year. How do you get these benefits? Because you can't just snap your fingers, turn around, bam, I'm in Puerto Rico. Nah, there's three things that you typically have to do. One, you have to pass the physical presence test, meaning that you have to live there at least 183 days throughout the year, every year. Two, you have to physically move all your businesses and LLCs to Puerto Rico. And three, you must pass the substantial presence test. This means you have to have a driver's license in Puerto Rico. You have to have a home in Puerto Rico. You have to physically be in Puerto Rico. You got to bring your family out here, your dogs, and actually behave like you're a Puerto Rico resident. But that's about it. It's not something that I typically recommend a lot of time, but something is to consider. Hey, my name is Duke and I make taxes very easy to understand. Give me a call to stay educated.